Hello everyone. First and foremost, I hope you and your families are safe and sound. I sincerely wish that the world emerges from this unprecedented crisis. Thank you for joining us for yet another exciting event for Nissan. Today I am here to talk about what's next in our Nissan NEXT. Recently, we have showcased the A and the Z, and now we are here with another special vehicle. A vehicle that serves a wide variety of needs, caters to diverse preferences, and serves our customer in many markets. For Richard in Australia, it is a reliable partner in his work as a wildlife photographer. And for the Eres family in Mexico, it's a cross-generational connection and a legacy. Grandfather, father, and son, working in our Civac plant in Mexico. 3 generations connected to 3 generations of this vehicle. Pickups are at the core of Nissan motoring heritage, going back to the beginnings of Nissan. Over decades since the first Nissan pickup hit the road, we have continued to accompany and empower our customers to work, to drive, and to live their lives to the fullest, to help people go anywhere. Whether used for demanding work or adventurous leisure, you will find our pickups on the bustling city streets in Mexico, in the rugged outback of Australia, and in the dense jungles of Thailand. These pickups deliver water to faraway villages, transport important cargo, and tow heavy trailers. Pickups are true Nissan, our DNA. They are the embodiment of our passion and desire to help people overcome challenges and explore places only a few can reach, while maintaining the fundamental ask of our customers: versatility, quality, durability, and reliability. With the latest pickups, we have strived to deliver more technology, more safety, more comfort, and more style. Continuing frame vehicles' unbreakable design language with an added, ruggedly bold design, the new Nissan Navara further empowers our customers to experience the world around them with a new confidence. We packaged the new model with a full set of advanced technologies to ensure enhanced dynamic performance on and off-road, as well as safety and comfort, ushering in the new age of toughness, tech, and peace of mind. With several Nissan intelligent mobility technologies, the new pickup will be the most advanced Navara ever. The newly added Pro 4X grade will appeal to extreme adventure lovers who crave an escape from the daily routine. What does this mean for the customer? confidence from the added suite of contemporary technologies, enhancing safety and responsiveness and sturdiness. Pleasure with expanded features, enhancing driving exhilaration while providing utmost practicality. And pride of ownership as you opt for the ride of your choice. So now please welcome the new Nissan Navara.
As Ashwani just explained, Nissan has a long history with pickups, and so do I. When I joined Nissan 19 years ago, I started as a planner for commercial vehicles. My experience in product planning spanned 12 years, with half of that in pickups. In my homeland of Mexico, as in many other countries, I have seen how the strength and reliability of pickups has served our customers. The new Navara comes to bring that proven reliability and versatility, but it also delivers an enhanced level of safety, convenience, confidence, and driving pleasure. It now comes with a full set of technological innovations and upgraded functionality. So today, we're here to give you an overview of this go-anywhere vehicle, with the specific product details to come later from your local Nissan representatives. With that, I would like to turn it over to Ken Lee, who is heading the styling team for body-on-frame vehicles, to overview the design. Ken.
All right, thanks, Ivan. For myself and the design team, it's always an exciting journey. For every project, we always keep in mind the spirit of the Nissan brand, to challenge and to innovate. Our Japanese DNA means constantly striving to be technologically advanced with careful attention to design and details. Our body-on-frame vehicles have 80 years of heritage, building up a reputation for strength and reliability. That's our frame vehicle DNA. Whether it's a truck or SUV, it's the go-anywhere and unbreakable DNA that captures toughness and a robust feel. Looking through our rich history, pickup trucks have always been part of our strength and design innovation. To design pickups and body-on-frame vehicles, we kept in mind these elements: Nissan, Japanese, and frame vehicle DNA, and mixed them like ingredients in a dish. And the recipe has to honor the Nissan brand and our heritage. We analyze the existing products deeply, listen to our customers, and then dream up new shapes that convey the sense of unbreakable design when we create our sketches. The best sketches will eventually become a 3D model. Our designers are really passionate about this project. With the new Navara, this type of creative discovery have led us to a bold new design with lots of character. While our highest grade looks tough and premium, we've also added the all-new Pro 4X grade with colors and unique accents that we're very excited about. First, let's start with the proportions. The hood is taller and stronger, emphasizing the powerful center hood volume. It is highlighted by our new interlock grille. The movement of the grille signifies a frame holding an engine block, conveying a sense of power and strength with the chiseled shapes. It's a natural evolution of our Nissan truck grille, but with a new twist. We're also very proud of the new LED headlamp design. The outline has an energetic gesture, while each of the 4 distinctive projector units have their own intricate bezel shape. Our tech expression and attention to detail are apparent here. Finally, the lamps are framed by our iconic C-shaped LED signatures. The overall impression is distinctively Nissan, even from a distance. The bold, sculpted shapes of the front bumper and LED fog lamps round up the front end for a powerful presence. As we move to the side, we see the taller hood and bed, giving the new Navara an even more robust silhouette. The new alloy wheels have a sharp, precise expression with new finishes. Combined with the ground clearance, the new side view looks strong yet agile, communicating its true go-anywhere intention. The robust silhouette continues to the rear, where we find a new tailgate and tail lamp designs. The iconic C-shaped lighting signatures echo those of the front, giving a consistent look throughout the truck. The Pro 4X takes the design up another notch, with the lively lava orange accents contrasted by the dark grille, wheels, and mirror caps. These accents are found on the tow hook covers, the fenders, and even on the Nissan badge. Plus, we have a new, fresh and athletic body color. It's a metallic gray, but with a unique, solid impression that gives the body a robust and energetic appearance. It's my personal favorite that works great with the Pro 4X. Overall, our design team really enjoyed working on the new Navara. We're able to continue our rich heritage, but with a fresh take on our unbreakable design language. And we hope you will enjoy it too.
While pickup owners want their new car to look fresh and impressive, they do not let us sacrifice functionality in the name of style. As we enter a new era at Nissan, we continue to put the customer at the center of everything that we do. As a symbol of movement and capability, our Nissan pickups have proven to be a reliable partner in supporting our customers in many facets of their lives. We have maintained the toughness that enables carrying heavy loads and getting through extreme terrain, but we have made it even more capable and practical. We strengthened the rear axle, increased payload capacity, and added a new rear bumper with a step for easier access to the truck bed. For enhanced maneuverability at low speeds and steering response across the speed range, we adopted a new steering rack. But capability is just a part of this model's appeal. People are often genuinely surprised when they find it's also a joy to drive. It is nimble and agile, and thanks to the noise isolation and acoustic laminated glass, it offers a quieter and more comfortable ride. It is these touches of comfort and technology that make customers' lives easier. At Nissan, we aim to bring our latest technological advancements to as many customers as possible by making them available across a broad range of vehicles. With this new Navara, we have integrated new technologies to create a safer, more dynamic, and more comfortable driving experience. Here are just a few. Intelligent forward collision warning, which monitors 2 vehicles ahead as well as the vehicle directly in front to reduce the risk of multi-car accidents. Intelligent emergency braking, which is designed to brake to avoid collisions and reduce the stress of driving in heavy traffic or on busy streets. Intelligent around view monitor helps drivers see people and obstacles around the vehicle. This enables easier maneuvering when parking and positioning of the vehicle during trailer hitching. For the first time, the vehicle also features an off-road monitor, which at low speeds in 4-wheel drive helps to check for obstacles around the vehicle. In addition to driving performance, comfort, and safety, our customers want more connectivity. Our latest Nissan Connect system enables use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making sure that when you are in the vehicle, you're not left out of the loop. These technologies and more make the new Navara the most advanced ever. What that means is more convenience, more peace of mind, and importantly, more enjoyment. It means fun with confidence. Simply put, the new Nissan Navara is an even more reliable partner, bringing you that enduring and proven capability to help you do what you want to do and take you where you want to go.
This is one of many new Nissan models we are bringing to you through a clear purpose of driving innovation to enrich people's life. And we want you to keep guessing what's next.